Stampers, this is Sarah with Stinkincutecards.com, and I have the first of March's Hostess Club cards for you today. And we're going to do this lovely card using the Springtime Foils Designer Series paper and the Celebrate Youth Inlets. So it went together very quickly. There's very minimal stamping on this project, but again, it was just so springy. We're right in the midst of that icky winter spring mix here in Wisconsin, so I was looking for something that would bring us a little springtime cheer. So anyways, this is a card that I came up with. It does go together, like I said, very quickly. So let me just show you some of the things that you're going to use for it. We're using the Postscript stamp set. This is one of the big background stamps. I love it. It just gives it a real nice quiet background and a little extra visual interest. We're using the Springtime Foils paper, and oh my Lanta, this stuff is amazing. It is one of our celebration offerings here, started February 15th and will be available through the end of March with a $50 order. This stuff is awesome. I just love it. It has the leaves, the flowers, stripes, and polka dots, and it comes in like a rose gold, a silver, and a regular gold, so love it. And we're just using Blushing Bride and a few other things here. So let's go ahead and get this baby started. It actually, like I said, goes together pretty quickly. We're using the Postscript. When I use my Postscripts, or the big background stamps, what I usually do, have a little bit of the glitter here from another project. Shake that off. Anyways, what I usually do is I usually ink my stamp upside down. And that way I know that I've got it evenly inked. What I will do is put my paper right here on the top here, and then just use another piece of paper. Let's see here. Then what I'll do is I'll either put a piece of like just, copy paper or something to help rub that in. And there you have a real nice even inkage. I mean, you can go this way, but what I find is that my hand, some people's hands aren't big enough to handle those background stamps. So it's just another little tip. So then I'm going to do the cheater adhesive here. I'm sorry, we're going to do the cheater bow. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to run this lovely, I used on mine, I had colored with, if you'll notice on mine, I had colored with the blends on the white organdy ribbon that's in the spring catalog, which is lovely indeed, but moment of truth, when I was prepping for my Hostess Club, I could not find that roll, the spool of ribbon, so we had to swap, and we used the powder pink 3/8 inch satin ribbon, and it's gorgeous too. So what I did was I just went ahead, and if you can see, I wrapped the ribbon. I did about 6 inches of ribbon and just wrapped it around the ends. And the reason being is, whoops, I forgot to put a little more adhesive here. Sorry. Put a little bit of adhesive there. Ooh. All right, put a little adhesive there, and I'm going to attach my feature strip there. And because what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take another piece that's about 3 inches long, and I'm just going to wrap it right on here and knot it. The reason I did that is, one, it lays flatter so that you don't have as much bulk when you're mailing, and the most important reason is that that knot can slide, and that way once your card is finished, you can go ahead and adjust that knot to fit wherever it needs to be. So isn't that a fun little tip? So I went ahead and cut some of that rose gold polka dot paper out with the lots of layer, I can't even think of it. It is the lots of something. Let's go lots of layers or lots of tags. I'll get that for you. It'll be in the I'll leave it as a comment here. So, and we're just going to attach that with dimensionals right here to our card front. Okay. Coming together quite nicely. Okay, then what I did is I just went in my paper, and I just scissors out a couple of the images. And again, they don't have to be one solid image. If you'll notice, I did a bunch, 3 different ones here, and I'm going to color them using my blends. If you don't have the blends, get them quick because they are awesome. And I'm just going to color. right, so then I went ahead and scissored out my pieces, and I have a little mistake here, but I can fix that. So let's go ahead and assemble these little images like I want them. So first off, I am going to attach a little bit of adhesive right up here at the top. I got a little crazy when I was cutting my flower, and my stem fell off. So I'm too lazy to go ahead and cut another one. So all I'm going to do is I just attached a little bit with adhesive there, and I'm going to go ahead and add my dimensionals, and I'll trap it underneath the dimensional just to make sure that it stays. So I don't know, I just got a little crazy. So we'll go ahead and add that image right about here. And then when I attach my second flower, I'm going to attach it right here, and I dare you to find the issue there. So, and like I said, these were not coordinating, they weren't from the same flower. They were just a bunch of different images that were added. And we're going to take this one. I think I might want one more just for the fun of it. And I'm not going to put a dimensional on this one because I like the difference in depth. So we'll put that one right there. And I'm going to add another one right here. So I'll have to find another one on my sheet, cut that out and attach it. But I will do that after the video here and share that with you. All right, the next thing that I'm going to do is we went ahead and used the amazing thinlits or the Celebrate You thinlits, and I usually run it through the Big Shot with the multi-purpose adhesive platform, but I didn't want to do that because I didn't want the whole thing sticky. I only want a little bit of it sticky, so ... not a lot. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a little schnibble of a dimensional here, just the tiniest bit, and I want to attach that so that it's on the same plane as the original. Okay, want that on the same plane. And you can see that a little bit, but I'll work with that and make sure that that's hidden. So there you have it. That is the outside. And I have just a sheet of cardstock for the inside. I didn't go crazy with the inside on this one because, again, I wasn't quite sure what I wanted to make this card to say. And the beauty of it is that it can be for birthday, it could be for thank you, it could be for just about anything. It would even make a beautiful wedding card or anniversary card. So there you have it. Again, that's your first March Hostess Club card using the Springtime Foils Designer paper that is a celebration offering. So thanks again. This is Sarah with StinkingCuteCards.com, and visit my website for more information. Thanks. Bye.